Imagine you're sitting on a beach, sipping a cocktail. Your financial future is secure. You're not stressed about bills or retirement. How did you get here? Today, we're diving into Raiz, a micro-investing platform that promises to make your financial dreams a reality. But is it worth it? Let's find out. Raiz is a simple, automated investment platform. It allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly, often rounding up your spare change from purchases. This is called dollar cost averaging, a strategy that can help you build wealth over time. The platform offers a range of investment options, including ETFs that track different markets like stocks, bonds, and emerging markets. Raiz also has a social impact fund, allowing you to invest in companies making a positive difference in the world. Benefits of Raiz. Accessibility. Raiz is designed for beginners. It's easy to set up and manage. Affordability. You can start investing with as little as $5. Automation. Raiz takes care of the investing for you, so you don't have to worry about market fluctuations. Diversification. Raiz offers a range of investment options, helping you spread your risk. Social impact. If you're passionate about making a difference, Raiz Social Impact Fund is a great option. Potential drawbacks. Fees. While Raiz fees are relatively low, they can add up over time. Limited control. You don't have as much control over your investments as you would with a traditional brokerage. Market risk. Investing always involves risk, and there's no guarantee you'll make a profit. Is Raiz right for you? Raiz is a great option if you're looking for a simple, affordable way to start investing. It's also a good choice if you want to invest in a socially responsible way. However, if you're looking for more control over your investments or have a higher risk tolerance, you might want to consider other options. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in Raiz is a personal one. It depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and lifestyle. If you're looking for a low-effort, high-reward investment strategy, Raiz is definitely worth considering. Ready to start your investing journey? Sign up for Raiz today and take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.